In this COVID condition, many doctors are facing problems. Medical students are forced to write practical exam in this kind of conditions. Not only that, some hospitals are lacking PPE kits, and in future there may be chance of lack of beds and ventilators in India. So why these things are happening? What can we do to solve these things? What is responsibility of common citizen in this kind of time? I am Akshay and you are watching National Info Crypto, and today we are going to discuss about what are problems faced by doctors and health workers in this COVID condition. So let's get started. When we discuss about problems of doctor, first thing which comes in our mind is what are mental, emotional and physical problems doctors are facing during the work at COVID hospitals. Doctors have to make them physically, mentally and emotionally ready when they are going to work. Even in presence of PPE kits, N95 masks, goggles, caps and many other safety equipments, there is no guarantee that they will be protected from COVID virus. They have to think about themselves twice when they are working. This is due to long working hours in COVID hospitals. Doctors are nearly working 7 to 8 hours at hospitals, because of which risk of infection increases. So doctors have to battle this kind of mental condition in this COVID hospitals. The other problems which are concerning doctor in this COVID time is lack of health equipment kits. There are many hospitals which provide this kind of health equipment kits, but some hospitals are even lacking this kind of kits. This increases the problem for doctors while they are engaging with their family. There is a chance that COVID may affect the doctor and his family because of lack of kits. This should be very concerning reason for some health departments in some states. Other major thing which comes in the mind when we speak about doctors' health condition is lack of infrastructures. Many hospitals are lacking with infrastructure in this COVID condition. The recent example of Osmania Hospital will be the perfect one. The Osmania Hospital's floor got flooded due to rain in this COVID condition. This shows lack of infrastructure. Even in Maharashtra, many hospitals were lacking oxygen bed before COVID condition itself. So this is the reason where many hospitals are not able to handle COVID cases very well. So if hospital infrastructure is not good, how can doctor and patients be safe in hospital? So not only this, there are many other problems faced by health workers in this COVID condition. Health workers are facing mental and physical trauma in this kind of COVID scenarios. Even now there are people who are abusing health workers when they are advising the people regarding COVID safety. If this kind of things happens, there will be more problem to health workers in this COVID scenarios. Not only doctors and healthcare workers, even medical students are facing problem during COVID time. NBE, National Board of Examination, is planning to conduct exam at August for medical students. These are practical exam which takes long time to complete. So if these exams are being conducted, there will be severe mental and physical trauma for medical students. We are just forcing some medical students to write exam in this COVID condition for no reason. So what are the steps that we can take and the board or the authorities should take regarding these concerned conditions? Is there any solutions for doctors and health workers in this kind of conditions? The answer is yes. There is a solution if we act in a mature way. First, working hour should be reduced in government hospitals so that the risk of infection for doctors and health workers and their family may reduce. The shift should be planned for each and every doctor so that there will be no problem regarding the interaction with doctor and patients and also for doctor's family. Second, we have to allow the doctors who wants to work with government departments. If we give opportunities for some doctors to work in government hospitals, there is a chance that this problem may not get worse. Third, whichever hospital are lagging with PPE kits and other equipment should inform concerned health department or health ministry so that this problem may not arise more and more. Fourth, NBE has to discuss the problem with doctors and medical lecturers so that they can postpone the exam or find the alternate method regarding the exams. So these are simple solutions which can solve the problem of health workers, doctors and medical students. So what can we do as people in this COVID condition? So what can we do regarding this condition? The answer is simple. We have to take care of ourselves. COVID has reached 1 million in India and soon there will be lack of beds and ventilators in India, and it will be impossible to provide many ventilators and beds at hospital. If we will not take care of ourselves, our family will be in big risk. We have to just wear a mask whenever we go to work, and also we have to use sanitizers before we interact with someone or interact in some places. We have to follow guidelines and maintain social distancing. We have to stop moving around crowded areas, and we have to maintain distance as much as possible. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And yes, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.